Hey traders, Michael from Elite Traders University here. Just doing a recap on an amazing trade to finish the week. Now, just looking at the pound dollar, we can see we had this massive midweek reversal, which was, a huge sell-off and then a total reversal, and it was quite extraordinary. And then for the rest of the week, we actually sold off back close to that original level, not completely, but close to that original level. And coming into Friday, the banks were indicating that they were actually going to buy into the end of the week. So we were prepared for that because we know when the banks are trading, and so we were actually looking to go long in this area down here. So we were looking to be entering somewhere in this region, and sure enough, the banks indicated what was going to happen, and so we entered long. Let's just put on the deal map on CTrader and see what we've got. So this is the deal map for our account. So as you can see, we entered number of positions, and you'll notice that there's no drawdown on this trade, so immediately we went into profit. So 14 pips on a number of positions there, and then 26 pips on a few positions there. The last position we held for plus 57 pips. Alright, so as you can see, there's no drawdown. Our trade goes immediately into profit, and if you look at the reward to risk for this last trade, that's the reward, and our stop is something like similar to that. Okay, so we're looking at about 5-to-1 reward to risk. That's on our last position alone. So incredible reward to risk for this trade. And if we go to our history, these are all of those positions, as you can see. Okay, so a number of positions at plus 15, plus 16, plus 17. They're one at 26, and the last one at 57 pips. So around 190 odd pips. And keep in mind that all of those first positions were taken out in about 20 or 30 minutes because of this big candle. Now, we actually believe that we were going to get a rejection from this level down here, and that's exactly what happened. The bank stepped in, and the money started to flow, and because we're entering when they're entering, we just stepped on the train with them. And so the London bankers' strategy is learning to identify when the bank's entering the market and what direction they're going to take it in. And that's exactly what we did here, and it's something that we do every day. So if you're interested, click the link below and get in touch with us on our Facebook group. And if you want to have a chat with us, have a look at the link below. You can contact me. We can schedule a call to talk about what the university offers you with this course and with the other courses. Okay, traders, have an amazing weekend, and we'll catch you again next week.